Alright, well I got wires soldered and shrink wrapped, and then I've got electrical tape around them. And a little trick that my daddy taught me years and years and years ago was, like right here at the end, just take your cigarette lighter, burn that a little bit, burn that in a little bit, and what it does is, you ever seen electrical tape where it unravels a little bit? That's what I'm doing. It'll never unravel. And what you're doing is you're kind of melting it into the other tape. And that's what you do. And it'll never unravel. And I'm going to get ready to wrap all these together, stick everything back in the hole again. And again, I put a knot in it because that way this wire cannot be pulled through. And once I get that all back together again, then I've got to go in and solder this end to the other end and then plug it into the inverter. So that's what we're doing today. Say goodnight, Mel.
Good night.